one time gone. How we know it. How we used to know it. Man, them used to bad for rich. I think that was a kind of the whole premise behind badness. This is why I say badness usually strive from poverty, from all of the outlaw them back in the western days come right up. Even before then, cause even during the slave rebellion and things like that. A badness that, you know, see, cause you go against the system, you go against the authority. You know, see. But the thing about them badness there is that them have a aim. You get what I say, them usually have some benefit to wider community rather than just the individual who a push the thing. You get what I say? Yeah, usually but some relevant cause. Usually cause a man for step and do certain things. You know, see, and in turn certain benefit usually come with the character. You see what I say? What bonify them youth nowadays is like a rich for bad. Like every man, me don't know, come like every man have a revenge to carry upon the poor man where him get richer than. You know, see, cause all like the scammer them now, where them is a disappointment because he want. It come like, me don't know, it come like a just a slave education, limit them ambition. You know see it? Because you get couple million out of scamming and you don't even have, not even, would even say the ability, but the drive, the ambition for no say that two couple million they can turn in a whole 8 more millions and legitimately, you know, see it, some investment. Jamaica should have be like capital, like the reggae capital, like a carnival city. Mobile should have be like a carnival city, you know, where the man them pool them money together and just some constant dancehall party right through the day, right through the night, you know. And people from all over the world just know say a summer beer run and a beer money and make beer tourists a come in. The man them shoot themselves in them foot rasta with the hype. It coming like a frighten. Me nah tell a lie, rasta. It coming like it's a video when we watch one time with some African man have a monkey in the crowd, some African warlord have a monkey in the crowd and them give the monkey the AK-47 and the monkey just start fire it. Just squeeze the trigger and a beer rapid a bus everywhere and the whole of them have to run up and down and jump and that. You get what I say? It coming like a joke thing, Rasta. You see it? Money make the man, make the poor youth, them get evil and bad mind against one another. Evil. Come like the man, them have a competition with Satan to see who can be the wickedest, to see if Jamaica can be a bigger hell than hell itself. No disrespect. But no, sir, the thing go a back way business that. The man them. That's why Buju Banton sing the tune say upside down. Cause everything I got the wrong way around. Man used to bad for rich, now them rich man here get rich and I turn bad man. I kind of dopey business that, I kind of idiot thing that Rasta. Uno selfish cause not even on youth them on a check fine or on behave like that, not even youth them on a love car watcher. Uno should have use that energy there, that resource there, seeing? And energize the resource for the youth, them and the grandchildren, them we are gonna come to, you know, because sometimes the luck skip a generation, you know, see it and a phone grandpitney them and pitney come back end up turn papa in the gutter and them thing there, you know, Rasta. You know, see it. The man them for do better than that, man. You know, see it. I eat that thing that them thing they coming like a joke thing. And the worst thing about that again is Jamaican youth is always like a model example to the rest of youth them across the world, you know. And Jamaican youth, them they even know that, them they even have no self-respect to a certain degree because them a leader and them for a set pattern, they even say it, them they even know neither. That may I show you. You know, see, I don't even know so them well recognized and well observed and admired worldwide by the rest of youth them like themselves. Like when you know, it's like yo come like a the ass that I chase a carrot man. Carrot pan a stick. You know see it? Nah reach nowhere. I wanna just do the work of the devil, I do the whole of the work for him by chasing the carrot on the stick, man. A joke thing that Rasta, man. And if you set example, man. Right now, I be like a bamboo shack and bamboo this and that shit up on the beach side, cause them thing that people them want to see and people them don't even want to see. No whole heap of big pretty furniture and them thing there, you know, see it. You know, Miss, nah, man, you should be the envy of the world right now, man. All in the backyard, in the yard, them, the room, them, in the yard, them, you should have fixed up some room, you can rent out some people and invite people, in the country and make some more money and turn things over. Things don't go so. Things are going the wrong way around, Rasta. You see it? Things are going the wrong way around, man, and the wickedest thing about it. Where the man them a move and me attack and a gun alone you can't get for the weed, you can't get coke, you can't get money, but a gun you want to come back and kill one another. You disagreement and gangster thing and gang violence and borderline thing and them thing they go on always, I feel like in a little way, But man. You see the need, the thirst for them level a murderation and judgment there. It come like a joke. And the wickedest thing, I know, hungry, the man them hungry and looks a rasta. You know, see it. It come like the man them belly too full and a beer fuck with them decide for the now. But here every man to them, each to them own still. I man just can't understand how the rich badness work. You get to me, I say, me no know them thing they work. And nobody else across the globe no know them thing they work. Cause that come like a rebel without a cause. If you have your money and you take up badness as opposed to some political badness you take up now where you try enter yourself in a new corporate level. You know, see it. You try impose yourself politically and things like that. You're rich and you take up arms and you arm some youth and you have them push your agenda and you will. But Rasta no agenda, no way, nothing, cause and I joke that it's a waste of time and a waste of energy and a kind of disappointing feeling for a youth like me who been through serious struggle without no money, broke and hungry and in a bush for how much days and them thing there. You know see it? You know see it? A joke thing, man. Man, them, no, them thing them, I don't know. It come like, all the them DJ on a move like say, a style a move on a move style. One time I started, DJ used to make style and lead the way a man follow it. You see, nowadays DJ them a come like them a do what them say. Them come on there. I never used to say go. So I can that's why when the thing not too iconic no more. When the thing just drop every minute as soon as a style change. When it just dead and forgotten. Nobody no remember again. You see. Well, the man them nah no moral bearing. Again, standard drop rasta. See. But more power to them still, cause same way it hard to dig out some pennies them time, man. If you still can't dig it out and not dig it out, a cycle. But the thing is, I now put it to no use and nothing no last ever, kind of remember say I see a way Coke did mad in America with Jamaican back in the 80s. And a couple of years after before no man know it. Every man they are prison, every man linked they are prison. And no man can't make nothing again. See England goes above Europe, same thing again over a certain period and then book like 1 year it there and next year it gone. The people them know them are doing that don't want to feed down there and I pray like say I want to make magic and money are flowing. I go to some guy I setting up and I make some money flowing for it. You see me? You never see smoke without fire, man. You have to take precaution, man, and always think without no box. Move the box from round on the thinking. You see what I say? Because them control inside of the box and outside of the box anyway. So just move the box from there and think. You know, see, some bigger force, it happened already. For some reason, it happened. So the same reason them why it happened already, it will happen again over and over. Them love of Jamaican people in a state of chaos. You know, see, me I tell you that. Them way they can't focus on nothing else while going out there for nobody else for making a representation. I have to remember say how we stop apartheid, how we stop slavery to begin with, you know. And how we stop apartheid, that's why. You know, see, small as I'm assuming yourself though, we don't know our history because people who know our history is not gonna teach it to us. But yeah, man, the man them, it's not without hope still, you know, because like me I say, I'm mad respect for the level, you know, see, but come on, man, you know, party, man, them have money, man, I want to talk about, man. Man, them, I want youth, man, come on, man. It's not hard, man. It's not hard, Rasta. Man, have nothing to prove, man. Man have nothing to prove. They don't have to prove no love neither if you don't want to prove no love. You know, you saw me I say, enjoy no money, man. Blood clot, don't enjoy no money, invest, man, and explore, man, and learn some things, man. The same computer, them there. Yeah, you have all the more things you can learn off of the computer, them. Take some computer subject, man, some IT subject. Sponsor some little youth round, man, make them go do some IT course and thing like that. You see what I say? Do that, man. You see what I say? Just focus on that. Slow down, little man, and keep silent, little man. You know, see, silent and calm down the country, man. The bumbo clock doing my general, man. Think 100 million, 100 million Jamaican dollar money, even 100 million US and money. You know, see, man, we have 100 million US over there, puppet them and a slave them same way, my general, man. Come on, man. I'm not talking about, man. I think about the brother and sister them, man. I can't help, man. I'm in a position for help, and that enough for do, man. I saw a blessing rain, and I saw a blessing last. And whatever can game or whatever sin on the cast and curse upon yourself in the past. I saw no wash on the sins and on the curse them. No other man can wash and protect on like that, you know. When you no go sub up and show back a thing to poor people, you know, out of one, you know, show love to poor people. You see what I say? I tell you, say, no gathering, no other man, no good like that, blood clot. See me, yeah? You know, see, show some love to the poor people, man. Invest in some little youth, man. Encourage some youth to go to school and help them to. Them things don't have to focus, man. Man, to focus on who can keep the biggest street, man. Who can send back the most people them go to school, man. Who have the most youth graduate, man. Who send most youth go to school for the longest. Them things that, when I fear the rest side, them things they are big man thing, man. No disrespect to no man, no man, disrespect no man, you know, because I have all, you don't know, you know, man love same way, you know, but come on, man. And like I said, man, mad love, man, and I have to salute same way, you know, because I want to think mad. But come on, man. Come on, man, make the salute go all the way up, man. Mad love.